Welcome back, this is another unboxing video. This is for a set of upgrade smoked front fog lights, stroke side lights for the Mini R56 06 to 14 model. It does also fit other ones such as R57 and R55. We'll get these opened up, we'll have a closer look, and we'll also get these illuminated. So within the box, 2 fog lights. These have a smoked tinted lens to them. These are just a nice subtle upgrade for your Mini. The fog lights do come with bulbs, which is side light, fog light bulb. Really decent build quality. We've got an aluminium housing, stroke reflector, and then a really sturdy plastic mounting brackets and a nice solid smoke lens. These lights are fully E-marked, they are road legal, and they are also MOT compliant. With them having a smoke lens, it does not affect the output of the beam pattern. The light will still emit through just like it would on a clear lens.